Okay, so here's the portal the next day. We've got the logs in place to plug that up. Been working on getting it to drain better, which is a royal pain in the butt because it's not a steep enough grade. Let's see how well this works. And what we've done is, right underneath there is a 2-inch pipe that's helping to drain all this. And then we got this ditch here. How deep the damn water is. Ah, man, that footing sucks. Very rough. Lots of rocks. I have a nice breeze in my face, so I can be quite comfortable that the air is fresh. Let me guess, this is that calcite vein that you chipped off of. No? Well, it's got some brown in it. Okay, now we're on the railway here. See what we got. Yeah, this is not going to turn out well, I can tell. Yeah, this is the quartz dike he was talking about. Definitely mineralized. 2 events. See the 2 events? And that's just it. Same vein, 2 events. Got some black stuff in there. Maybe the wall rock. Wall rock doesn't look a little gray in here. The typical totally fucked up mess. Okay. You want to just video me while I go in here and use another. Need 2 hands here. And I'm following this vein. Gets big here. Motherfucker is at least 3 feet wide. They were following this baby. Yeah, you got just a total jumbled mess here in terms of the mountain itself. You got shit going every which way. Okay. There they looked like they were interested in that. Right along the edge. You got some alteration zones on either side, which they seem to be more interested in than the main vein itself, which seems to be mostly bull quartz, but it's got some other stuff in it. Maybe just wall rock. Yeah, they were definitely going on the this right-hand side alteration zone. They just tunneled in right there. Oh yeah, yeah, they were excited about that right there. We'll have to sample that for sure. This left side alteration zone, same thing. And here we have stoppage, which I'm guessing, yeah, that's got to go up to that stuff above. That's the crack.
Who's gonna jump up there? You go first.
I might.
You don't look too solid, bro.
No, they don't. Let's kick it and see what happens. Now, where's the winds?
Over here.
Over here? Underneath that?
Yeah.
Plenty of water. Let's see how deep we can see in it. It looks pretty clear. Yeah. Hey, swimming pool.
I can see a vein running this way, just a small one, right down the middle, going this way, just this wide.
Yeah, because this, see, they were working sideways on this and up into there.
This was supposed to be phenomenally good.
Yeah.
Wow. What is that? A drill bit stuck in there? What is that?
Bolts for like hanging a pulley on or something.
Oh, there you can see the bottom really good. It's not that deep.
Yeah.
See the vein?
I don't know. You want to get out of the way?
Walking
Give it a shot.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah, see a contact there, yep.
Oh, there it is right there. Same one.
Yeah. We can just walk in here and take a sample.
Maybe that's what fed that enrichment zone. What do you think?
And then here we've got some quartz or calcite, one or the other. You notice how they left it. And they weren't real interested right in this, although it does look like it's got pyrites in it. But it's not what they were after. Doesn't look like. What we can do though, see that stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's pretty much come down from all this shit, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. There's a sample. Yeah, I don't see any. There would be some pyrites weathering out there, I'm pretty sure. I don't see much of a vein they were following as such. Got a rotten ladder up there. Few rocks. Well, there's a little bit of fall here, but it doesn't look too bad to work your way through. This is the last of the tunnel here. There's where I'd expect to find arasenopyrite. Right in there. See how red that is? There's a good sized slab came down there all right. That would definitely put the hurt to you. Yeah, I don't see a real vein that they were following. So I would see why they came out with, let me see if I can go through there safely. I just don't see a real structure here that say, oh, that's the ore compared to the waste. This, I would guess, is the bottom of the stopes and the size of the slab and a few other things. We go in here very carefully, make sure not to disturb anything. Like serpentine, and there's the stopes up there, and this thing just keeps on going. I don't see any real signs of a solid structure they were following, if you know what I mean. Do you?
The biggest thing